Do you want to know what the new Skoda Octavia looks like inside and out? Do you want to see how it performs on the road and what features it offers? If you do, then you're in luck, because we have some exclusive rendering of the upcoming model that will blow your mind. The Skoda Octavia is one of the most popular cars in Europe, and it has a refresh on the horizon. These renderings give us a great look at the updated model, including our first view exterior. The new Octavia retains a familiar look, but with some subtle changes. The grille features vertical uprights, and the upper border dips down in the middle. The headlights have a roughly rectangular shape, and they look sharper than before. The lower fascia has horizontal fins that lead to vertical inlets on the outer edges. These details give the car a more aggressive and sporty appearance. The profile view showcases sensors on each wheel hub. These could be part of a new driver assistance system, or maybe a new feature for the 4x4 version. We don't know for sure, but we're curious to find out. Rendering at the rear. They're a glimpse of the taillights, which share a shape with the headlamps. They also seem to have a LED signature that looks modern and sleek. The interior pictures show what seems to be a larger infotainment screen on top of the center stack. A piece of silver trim is beneath the display, and physical buttons are underneath that. The screen looks crisp and responsive, and we can't wait to see what features it offers. The driver looks at a digital instrument cluster, which is also a new addition. The center console doesn't appear to change. There's a rocker switch for selecting the gear and a button for the electronic parking brake. A 4x4 emblem is visible on the upper trim piece in this section, which confirms that the car has an all-wheel drive system. We don't have exact powertrain details about the updated Octavia, but we can assume that it will have a range of options, including petrol, diesel, hybrid, and maybe even electric. Since this is a refresh rather than a new generation, we don't anticipate any significant changes to the offerings, but we hope to see some improvements in efficiency and performance. Skoda released a product plan in April 2023, and it indicates that the updated Octavia will arrive in 2024. The brand also has quite a few EVs coming, such as the Elrock compact electric SUV, the Enyaq Coupe, and a small electric car. An electric wagon and 7-seater will also join the range in 2026. So, what do you think of the new Skoda Octavia? Do you like the changes or do you prefer the old model? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.